Hi, my name is Benjamin Howes, and I'm one of your HB Artist Champions. It was studying at HB Studio that first brought me to America just over 20 years ago. Since then, I've performed in a few Broadway shows, some off-Broadway shows, film, television, national tours, and countless regional theaters across America. And through all of it, this has been my companion. I'm always striving to apply what I've learned at HB Studio to the work that I'm doing. So if your livelihood has been taken away by COVID-19 like mine, I want to encourage you to use this time. Don't let it take away your creativity. Part of Uta Hagen's challenge was to create actors with a point of view. So now is your time to practice using your voice. Let yourself be heard. So turn down the chatter of CNN, put down the wine and the weed, and put pen to paper or sit in front of the computer and get it on the page. Whatever it is that you have to say, whatever it is you're feeling, whatever it is you're going through, everything's valid. Just get it on the page. Then in a few days, go back to it and figure out, is it a monologue? Is it a scene between you and God, or you and the dog, or you and a nurse crying at the bus stop? And if that then becomes a video, well, I want you to share it with me. I want to be your audience. I would love to see what it is that you're creating. You can share it with me on my Instagram account at BenjTheStar. Don't let this situation take away your creativity. Use it to your advantage. I also want to encourage you to go to hbstudio.org and find out how HB Studio can support you at this time. There are all sorts of online classes available. There are links to resources that are available to you. Because if you can find out how HB Studio can support you, then you are in turn supporting HB Studio. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay creative. That's your challenge for the actor.